Hello my friends, in this video I will introduce you the wonderful transition glitch plugin. We extract these two files and copy the MYFX 3.0.2 folder and paste it in the extensions folder. Then we open this folder and run the content inside it and click OK, then open After Effects. Go to the extensions section and run MYFX. Then click Install and select the install file from the Glitch Transitions folder. Well, now let's take a look at the transitions. Now we select the transition and double-click to apply the transition. To download this wonderful plugin, send me a message on Instagram and get it for a small fee. And finally, in order not to miss the free plugins and presets, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video.